Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to Dudhganga Dam, which is also known as Kalammawadi Dam, as it falls in Kalammawadi village. On the way to the dam, you come across a temple which is of goddess Ambabai. नाव काय तुझं?
नाव काय? सह्याद्री. सह्याद्री पर्वतच आहे की.
So we have come to a forest which is in Kalammawadi, and this is a very dense forest. There is ample amount of oxygen, fresh air, no pollution, and I am feeling too good here.
पिकलेली करवंद काढताना.
So this is how we clean our hands when we are in forest, because we don't have any soap or anything. So we just have to rub our hands to the soil, and then we have to put water and clean. So we have picked many Karandas plum and we are heading towards Dudhganga Dam now. But as I'm feeling very hungry right now, so I'm going to grab a cucumber and I'm gonna have it. इसी से काम चलाना पड़ेगा अभी, क्योंकि अभी यहाँ पे कोई शॉप्स वगैरह तो है नहीं. So okay, so the board said that entering into the dam premises is strictly prohibited. Then how did I enter? So the reason is that my dad is government officer and he is allowed to enter. That's why this is a great advantage of my father being a deputy engineer, and that's the reason why I could fortunately enter the dam premises. We have finally reached Dudhganga Dam. This dam is built on Dudhganga river. That's why this is called as Dudhganga Dam. Otherwise you guys cannot come. You have to see this dam from the outside where the gate starts. So, through my vlog you can see what's there inside and what it actually looks like. So have a look. Kalammawadi Dam, which is the biggest dam in Kolhapur district, was initiated by government of Maharashtra in 1983 and was completed in 1999. And the great thing is that it was inaugurated by our late Prime Minister of India, Indira Gandhi. The wall of this dam stands 239 feet tall and 4,200 feet long.
So you can see it's raining here and the climate is awesome, and I'm going to enjoy this coconut water sitting over here in the shade of tree, and you enjoy this video. ते काढायचं कशाने? जुगाड ऑफ की. Perfect weather, perfect coconut water, and perfect day, I can say.
And here is the proper view of Kalammawadi Dam or Dudhganga Dam, which is a gravity dam, and you can see that there are 5 doors to this dam.
This is a canal waterfall structure, and this water from the dam is released for irrigation purpose.
This dam is being used for irrigation as well as hydroelectricity power generation. Here you can see a water pipeline which carries the water from Kalammawadi Dam and supplies to Kolhapur. So this was my short trip to Kalammawadi Dam, and I literally enjoyed it very much. Hope you guys loved the video. If yes, then do give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you're new to my channel. Thank you.